Today I'm going to show you how to make easy baked pesto chicken thighs with broccoli and zucchini. It's a lovely, nourishing, healthy recipe that's full of vegetables and the whole family will adore. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this easy recipe, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think of it. So let me talk you through quickly all the ingredients and then we'll get cooking. So I've got a good 700-gram pack of chicken thighs here. You could use more if you're going to feed more family. We're a family of 4. I find this to be perfect for us. And I'm going to pop broccoli in with my chicken, so it's going to be a nice chicken and broccoli bake. And now for the sauce, I'm going to whip up a quick pesto, and I shared a recipe recently for broccoli pesto, but I'm just going to skip the broccoli and we're going to blitz together some basil, salt, olive oil, lemon and garlic to make a lovely sauce to enjoy with our chicken. So we're going to get on and prep the sauce first. Okay, I'm going to use my NutriBullet to prepare my pesto dressing. I'm just going to add all the ingredients one by one, starting with the basil. I've got the basil, the whole bag over here. I'm just going to wash it and pop it into the cup. Okay, washed all that basil, we'll pop that in there, and I just remembered probably a good idea to start preheating the oven. So I've got it on to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, and I've also got my roasting dish out here as well for when I'm ready. Next we'll add in the olive oil, go for 3-4 tablespoons. I'll go probably 4 to 3 and 4. A couple of generous shakes of salt, and next we'll see to the lemon. I'm going to grate over the zest and use half of the juice of this lemon. Okay, we'll just grate zest over. And we'll squeeze over the juice of half of the lemon. Do it over a sieve so we catch any pips. And for the garlic, I've got 2 huge cloves that I've chopped into quarters, and we've lost one of the little bits over there. It's alright. So I've got 2 huge cloves I've chopped into quarters, and that's going to be our pesto sauce, and we'll just mix it up. Just pop on the lid and get it on to blend. Okay, we'll pop it on to blend now. And there we go, we've got our pesto. Now we'll just pop everything together. Okay, I've popped the chicken into my baking dish, and we're going to pour over the pesto that we just made. It's luminous green, isn't it? And we're going to give it a good toss through and spin around all the chicken pieces so it's completely coated in all that lovely pesto sauce. Now you could of course use any pesto you like. You can definitely use jar bought, and yeah, it's come out really nice. Just to get them all coated in the green sauce. But don't worry about the sauce going everywhere. What I'm going to do is kind of dot the dish with the broccoli and maybe other vegetables too. I just kind of thought I'd start with this, have the chicken all kind of distributed in every corner of the dish, and then we'll fill in all the blanks with broccoli and other vegetables. Okay, chicken's all in there. We're just going to fill in all the little blanks, pop broccoli pieces in between, so it's just a big green bake. I love color-coded meal like this. I do like eating the rainbow, but sometimes it's just fun to have all of one color. And we've got all the green goodness here. Doesn't that look pretty good? You could definitely leave it like that, but I want to kind of squeeze a bit more veg in. I did say I like to color code, so I'm going for 1 zucchini or courgette that I've really roughly chopped, and we're just going to pop it in between as well, so there's just even more veggies to go around. So I've got all the veggies in. I've actually just flipped the chicken over so it's got the underside cooking first, and popped a bit of more salt on top of everything, all the veggies, the lovely zucchini and broccoli, and it's going to go into the oven for 25 minutes, and then we'll flip it over and we'll give it another 20 minutes to get the skin nice and crisp and all those veggies cooked. So it'll go in the oven and I'll show you once it's done. It's been in the oven for 25 minutes. The house smells pretty amazing. This smells so good. It looks so green. I'm just going to flip everything over and pop it back into the oven for a final 20 minutes. And it's out of the oven. Look at that beautiful crispy chicken, and all those veg are lovely and crisp, and it's so full of flavor too. This is just one of our family's favorites, and I hope you'll enjoy it too. So that is the video for today for how to make easy baked pesto chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.